Hello, Samuel. Thanks for coming in today. So, what brings you in?
Well, Mihira, I've been having a few issues. Firstly, I've noticed a sensitivity to cold drinks in my upper right molar area. It's quite sharp but doesn't last long. Secondly, and perhaps more concerning, is this dull ache I get occasionally in my lower jaw on the left side. It's not constant, comes and goes, and sometimes I feel it radiating up towards my ear. I also think my gums might be a little more tender than usual when I brush, and I've seen a tiny bit of blood a couple of times. I've been trying to be more diligent with flossing, but it doesn't seem to have made a huge difference with any of these problems.
Okay, I understand. You've mentioned sensitivity to cold, intermittent jaw pain, and some gum tenderness with occasional bleeding. It sounds like we need to investigate these different symptoms. The sensitivity to cold is often indicative of early enamel wear or possibly a small area of exposed dentin. The intermittent jaw pain, especially with radiation to the ear, could be related to temporomandibular joint issues or even referred pain from another area. The gum tenderness and bleeding are usually signs of gingivitis. So, while you have multiple oral concerns, the key thing we need to determine today is the likely cause of that recurring jaw discomfort.
Mihira, I hear that you're experiencing breathlessness, and I know how frightening and overwhelming that can feel. It's important to understand that this sensation is your body's signal, and there are several possible causes we can gently explore together. Sometimes it can relate to the airways, like a flare-up of asthma or a respiratory infection. Other times, it might be connected to how the heart is functioning, or it can even be a very physical manifestation of heightened anxiety, where your body responds to stress with rapid, shallow breaths. Pinpointing the exact cause is our first step toward helping you feel better. The most supportive path forward begins with a visit to your doctor. They will listen carefully to your experience, conduct a thorough examination, and may suggest some simple tests like a chest scan or a breathing test to gain a clearer picture. This isn't meant to worry you, but to ensure we understand what's happening. From that clarity, you and your doctor can then create a tailored and effective treatment plan. You don't have to manage this uncertainty alone. Seeking this professional guidance is a courageous and caring step toward your own well-being and peace of mind.